Hi, Callum here, and today I'm going to show you how to make an aviation. But before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with all of our new content. The first written evidence we see of the aviation comes from Hugo Ensslin's 1916 book, Recipes for Mixed Drinks. And apparently the name of the cocktail was inspired by the lilac hue of the drink, which comes from the Creme de Violette, and resembled the twilight sky. The drink itself had seen some confusion over the years, with the 1930 Savoy cocktail book stating no need for the Creme de Violette, which for me is one of the most important elements of this drink. As always, there is a dispute as to the official original recipe, but today we're going to be making Hugo Ensslin's version of the drink. This floral, citrusy, vibrant cocktail has been back on the menu for the last 20 years or so, and hopefully will stay for many more years to come. It's an absolute must try for cocktail lovers, so let's get into it. So what we're going to need to make this drink is some gin, some maraschino liqueur, some creme de violette, some lemon juice, and we're going to do a splash of sugar. A little bit different to Hugo's recipe, but we think it improves the drink overall. We're going to be shaking and fine straining into a chilled coupe. We have quite a vintage little number here, so we're going to chill this right now. Get it up there. We're going to get our shakers up and put our ingredients in. The first ingredient we need is 50 milliliters of gin, 10 mils maraschino. We're going to add 20 milliliters of lemon juice. I'm going to do a bar spoon of each of the creme de violette and the sugar syrup, just to give it that nice floral balance at the end of it. Let's ice and shake. Break it open, catch all the little pieces, and we're going to stick our straw in to check for the balance. So good, so good. Get rid of this crushed ice, and we're going to give it a little fine strain, and we're going to garnish it with a maraschino cherry. Little maraschino cherry, just drop it down into the bottom of the glass, like so. So there you have it, an aviation. Floral, citrusy, refreshing, absolutely delicious. Enjoy.